Hey everybody, it's Jared Snyder, and I am going to get my workout on here soon. I have my daughter here. She's right over here. We usually have Fridays off together. Hi Maggie, can you say hi? Well, you got a nose issue. Let me get that wiped for you. Real life dad. Uh, but we're gonna get workout in here soon. I just gotta wipe my daughter's nose. So yeah, it's me and my daughter here today. Everybody else is at school. Hey Nathan, good job, man, on your workout. I seen your post. But anyways, I am doing something different. I usually run a group that is multiple programs that I let people just get into multiple programs, but I'm not. I love this program that I'm doing, which is Lift 4. Hi Jamie. Which is Lift 4. So I'm gonna just do this straight up program. It's amazing. I love it because it got everything. It got the abs workout at the end of each one. It has HIIT training in most of them, and you work every part of your body. But give me a second because I have to get my TV. But I'm gonna do a little workout and just chat with you guys. So hello, 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 hello. I'm just getting my TV fired up. Check this remote out. I lost the remote to my Roku TV, so I downloaded the app on my son's tablet. So we're gonna use this. Having kids, you never know where stuff goes. You find it like 10 weeks later. Good morning, Jamie. Hello, hello, everybody. Hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm going to do my workout, just chat with you. Go ahead and if you have questions, type away. I love getting to know new people. So, but it's Friday. Woohoo! Anybody have any fun plans for the weekend? I think we're just going to be with family, or hang out with the family today. We have grocery shopping to do. That's always fun. We take the kids, all the kids. That's a lot of fun. Let's see. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just setting my, I'll show you guys. I'm just setting my workout up on here. Basically, this is the Lift 4 program. You can stream it, which I love streaming because just easy. You can do it on your TV, phone, computer, tablet, whatever. Or you can do the old school way of getting DVDs. But hey, Dad, hope you're doing awesome. Getting ready to do my workout. But anyways, today it's full body HIIT training, so we're just gonna work out a little bit, and hopefully I can motivate you guys if you're not doing something to join me. But anyways, I'm gonna hit OK, and I've never did this workout at all before, so I have no clue what it is.
For weeks for this.
This is the trainer I've been following for this whole 8 weeks.
Full body HIIT. That's what's going to happen to you. I'm going to explain the structure, but first you got to get.
Like I said,
go ahead and start the jog in place.
We're getting the warm up on.
Full body HIIT. I can keep saying it, and it's just going to get more and more real. So this is the way this is going to happen. 3 blocks to work. You already know the 3 blocks, and then
I got my daughter here with me.
Everything else changes. 2 exercises in each block.
And my dogs, you can hear them howling in the back because they're in their crate.
That's all I'm going to tell you for right now. Okay? All right, butt kicks. Heels up to your butt. So we got to take just a minute or two just to get warmed up.
But if you have any questions, let me know.
Right into the work, okay? At any point during this workout, because it is challenging, make sure you know what the modification move is and jump into that if you need to, okay? Full jumping jacks if you would. Heels is like, sure.
I just didn't want to hear him whining, so I let him out.
He's not going to need the modification. Actually, he might need the modification. All right, and now let's go ahead and go alternating toe taps. Go ahead and reach your toes up. Still feeling yesterday's workout. the day before.
They're crazy.
Now look, it's all about hitting it and quitting it. That's what it is today. We're going to hit it, we're going to quit it, we're going to be done with it after this, all right? Finish off torso rotation, set your toes, lift your heels.
Pretty easy. Just get these programs and follow them right from home.
You guys ready?
And they work if you work.
All right, here we go. First block of work. Now listen up. Every single block.
They honestly work if you want to put in the work.
2 exercises in each. Your first 2 exercises, 60 seconds, 45 seconds. You're going to repeat those 2 exercises back to
Just
back,
a little.
3 times. That's your first block, okay? So 60 seconds, single leg plyo lunge jump. You know this one. Sink down into your lunge, lift up into your jump. We're going to alternate or do 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side. Second exercise, down on the ground.
Just a little bit of the,
hands just outside.
and this is what we're doing. He's showing us before we do it,
In close, pull your knees in toward your chest, and
which is amazing. So
you go into your push-up. So by the time your feet tap the ground, push up, push up.
and this basically what I follow. It's pretty amazing.
Step out. Marcella's got you on the bot. Okay, I can see your face. You're a little concerned, but you're gonna have fun on this, I promise. Okay, it's all about pacing yourself. All right, here we go.
So just bear with me.
Single leg plyo lunge jump. First leg, we go for 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. We're off. Let's go. Now, you've done this one throughout the past few weeks, so you know what it's all about, but there's just a couple little reminders here.
You can follow the
Just as with it,
modifiers.
as you sink down into your lunge, remember to bend your back knee and keep your front knee behind your toe. This way you can really think about using your legs. You've been doing the lunges, but it's very easy to
Thanks
lose
for
your
the
form
light.
as you get
Appreciate
excited.
it.
I know Sam's super excited. 1, because she got to wear that shirt. 2, because we're going to keep going into this. All right, get ready to switch in 3, 2, 1. Switch your feet, other side. Keep going into it. Nice switch, Niels. Thank you. Wow, you've been practicing that. Nobody saw say that.
I just want to show up every day for you guys because basically
Nice. We got to work on that one. Okay. So
I'm going to try to get people into doing exercise or doing what I'm doing.
Bend your back knee.
I want to prove.
I'm loving it.
I want to do it
Come
myself.
on, bend your back knee. Marcella, heel lift, still working the legs, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, done. Now you have 20 seconds.
There are modifiers in a lot of these programs, so like you can follow them. That's what I'm doing.
As you go into your push-up, remember as you're tapping your toes in, the minute they tap in, you're going right back down to your push-up so they hit the ground at the same time you're at the bottom.
But if
Here we go.
anybody's watching and you guys have
Push-up,
questions,
3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, now remember, modification, Marcella's got you, but this is what it's all about, is trying to maintain constant movement throughout this entire 45 seconds. It is a challenge, so remember to go to modification if you need to, but look at Neil. Pulls his heels in, pulls his underneath his butt, knees in towards his chest, and then as you pop back out, you're going into the push-up. You feel it, bro? Yep. Good, keep going. Nice. So as you're tucking in, pull your knees in. Pull your knees in more. All the way in. There we go. So more of a crouch, and then jump back out. There we go. Full range. It's all about the range, right? Keep going. Yes. That means yes. Yes. You got less than 10. Keep going, guys. Use your mind if you need to. Keep working. You've got 3 seconds left. Come on, Sam. 2, 1. Nicely done. Well, hello.
woo!
Okay, let's do that again. 20 seconds in between, okay? So, when we do this, now you know the feeling of it. You know it's going to just get harder from here, okay? So, here we go. It's only 20-second breaks because we got to do it again. Oh, man. We're not wasting any time. Single leg plyo lunge jump in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sink down.
You don't get much time with this.
It's all about pacing yourself, and we know that, but we want to make sure the form is perfect. So, back knee comes down. Josh is going to do it right before it hits the ground. So make sure whenever you lunge, you don't lunge all the way down to where your knee hits the ground, okay? Save your knees for later. Or today, actually. Keep working. Nice. Over halfway done. Sinking down and back. Push your body weight a little bit back so your front knee.
Hi, Maggie.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Switch in 3, 2, 1. Let's see it. There it is. Nice.
Can you do the lunge?
Loving it, loving it. Sam, you got to do that next time, okay? You got to start flying in midair, okay? Now listen up. If you haven't noticed, we're alternating between upper body and lower body. So right now we're in the legs. It's a little bit slower, a little bit lower into the movements, and you can really sink down. But you can already hear the team is starting.
She's getting her exercise on too.
It should be 2. You got less than 10. Stick with it. Heel lift, still going into it. Feeling it, Marcella? Nice. 3, 2, 1. 20 seconds. So breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Make your way down to the ground. Remember, hands just outside your shoulders. And keep your back flat into your push-ups. Okay? Here we go. Less than 10 seconds. Let's drop down. Let's get ready to go. Push-up, knee tuck. In. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Down and tap in. Nice. So remember, full range, full push-up all the way. Josh, bring your hands a little bit wider. There we go. That helps. Nice. And then pull your knees in towards your chest more. Yeah. So you see the crouch, right? So that in fixing this, by pulling your knees more in, you're really getting into a crouch, and then you push straight out. And if he's in the bottom of the push-up, the minute his toes tap back down. Sam has been working through it. She goes into the modification. It still is working the entire time. Do you feel this? Yes. So she's stepping in, and she takes the jump out, but she's still working rocking the push-ups on her toes. I'm not going to say work, I'm saying rock it because you're rocking it. Keep going, girl. You got less than 10. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep working, keep working. Work your big muscles, baby. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Come on up.
It's not always going to be pretty, but you got to get it in, man. Whew.
Third and final block of the third and final set of the first block. Back to your single leg plyo leg jumps. Here we go.
It's an amazing way to work out from home.
3, 2, 1, let's go. Finish this and then you can have a drink. How about that? Finish the first block. Nice and controlled. Watch your lunges. Remember, it is all about the angles and it's all about the lines as you sink down and back. You've got the mirror to use this, but in terms of looking to the side, you're going to lose your balance. So just use this to look at the team right now. Chest stays lifted. Bending your back knee, that's where it's at. You got less than 10. Stick with it, stick with it. Get ready to switch in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Switch and go, switch and go. Come on. Nice. Marcella's still working through this, so don't ever tell me the modification.
You guys have questions, let me know.
Okay? We're just taking impact out. Are your legs, they're what? They're burning. You sure? Yes, they are. They're burning because you're still using your body weight. You're still sinking down. And then the heel lift right there adds that nice little calf component. Come on, keep working into it. You got less than 10, guys. Stick with it. Stick with it. Sink down. There we go. Come on, Sam. Come on, Josh. 3, 2, 1. Drop down. You got 20 seconds to get down there. So, push up into your knee tuck. Hands wide. It's only 45 seconds. Only 45 seconds. Remember, work to your modification if you need to, so you can keep moving the entire time. Okay, we're all about constant movement here. Take the break when the move is over. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sink down and jump. Come on up. There we go. Knees in, knees in. You know it. Full range push-up. All right, so step it in. Step out. There we go. That's better. Step in, step out. Look, so if you need to take the jump out, you totally can. You just got to keep working through it. Give me full range push-ups. That's what I'm talking about. Sam is still giving me full range push-ups on her toes, and if she needs to step in, she totally can. She says, no, I don't want to do that. She wants to keep working through it. Take your hands a little bit wider. Hands a little bit wider. Now do it. There we go. That's better. Work your chest. Come on. You got less than 15. Come on, guys. I know it's getting hard, but you're getting close to being done with this. You got a full break after this. Come on, Niels. Come on, Niels. Less than 5. Less than 3. Come on. 2, 1. And then he jumps right up. He jumps right up. Are you kidding me with this guy?
You want to know what? I got to say this too.
30-second break.
You want to know what? Maybe you're like, oh my gosh, you can't do that. It's too much. Or maybe you're just like doing your own thing. But I just want to say that I couldn't do it all in the beginning either. I had to actually, one day do 10, 15 minutes a day, and then try to challenge myself the next day, do 16 minutes, challenge myself the next time, do 18, 20 minutes until I could get it.
Butt is down and back, and you're stepping into each side, and then down. Nice. So if you're going full squat jacks, remember tap your toes in the middle. So bring your feet in, guys. Tap your toes. Chest is up. Butt is down. There we go. Sam's working through it. Chest is up. There we go. Keep looking straight to the front. You're already over halfway done.
You got to challenge yourself.
This one's going to really start flying by because the times are shortening, okay? You have less. You're getting to 10. You're getting to 10. Here we go. Come on. 10 seconds. Come on. Chest is up. Butt is down. Work your legs. Weight in the heels, Josh. Weight in the heels. Weight in the heels. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Now the break is going to shorten too from 20 to 15. You have 15 seconds. Drop down to the ground. Triple bear. Get down. Get ready. You know it. And you love it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Knees in, side to side. Remember, the mod is to step. Marcella's got you. And we all know this is not easier. This is challenging right now.